Bro, look in the left. Full on snow. Near Dal Lake we have all shikara boats and even houseboats. This is our Dal Lake. Look at this beauty. Air Force can land their planes. So technically we are driving our car on the runway. I guess I can manage this.
अभी तो ट्रायल है.
Abhi trial hai. This is the Zero Bridge entrance. This bridge is in between the river.
कश्मीर का फेमस है. कश्मीर के यहाँ अंदर कम से कम 2-3 दिन नहीं खाएगा वो शाम को घर नहीं पहुँचेगा.
Hello bros and machas. So we are going from Agra to Delhi and then again Delhi to Kashmir. So this is a bus which is taking me to Kashmir from Delhi. I got a great sleep. So we are in Zing bus. So I booked Zing bus, sleeper bus. So what happens is from Delhi to Srinagar, if you have to reach, you can't get direct bus. You have to go from Delhi to Jammu. And from Jammu you will have to book a bus again or a cab. So this is Zing bus. So we had a very peaceful sleep and journey. An amazing driver, amazing helper. Thank you bhaiya. Good support from the team. The bus is very clean. There are plug points and there is even like seating area as well. So very comfortable seating. I slept off by 12 and then till 9 I didn't wake up. So good experience. Good journey. It is the bus provider's duty to arrange us the cab to go to Srinagar. अगर इधर से श्रीनगर से बस रुका तो हम कैसे जाते लोग जिंग बस से कैसे लोग जाते हैं
यहाँ से कैब में और कैब का खर्चा आप देंगे कैब का आपको कोई किराया नहीं है इंक्लूड है ठीक है ये सिर्फ जिंग बस करते हैं ऐसा बहुत लोग कर रहे हैं
खाली जिंक का है
खाली ये तो जिंग का ही है हाँ कि यहाँ सिम वर्क नहीं होता है ना वो जो पोस्टपेड अब प्रीपेड काम नहीं कर रहा है पोस्टपेड चलेगा पोस्टपेड
यहाँ पे पोस्टपेड चलेगा
अब जाते वक्त पोस्टपेड सिम लेना है
यहाँ से जम्मू की सिम ले लो प्रीपेड
हाँ
हमारी भी नहीं चलती है हमारी भी बाहर
हम वहाँ पंजाब चले गए हमारी भी नहीं चलती है हम
तो अब पोस्टपेड सिम किधर से लेना है रुकेंगे
ले लो जम्मू से प्रीपेड रास्ते में सिम दिलाएंगे आपको रास्ते में
पोस्टपेड होती फिर चलती है यहाँ पे आपको एक्स्ट्रा सिम लेनी पड़ेगी जम्मू
हाँ
बाद में रास्ते में आप सिम ले लेना है
If you want any private cabs to be booked from Jammu से होगा so if you instead of booking the cabs from Srinagar you can directly book from Jammu through this cab provider. आपका नाम भैया Salim Malik. So he is helping us because we have left around 10. It will take us easily 4 PM to reach Srinagar. This is only for Jammu and Kashmir tourist SIM and it's a prepaid SIM, not a postpaid SIM. So let's put the SIM and check whether our SIM is working. I'm done with my tea and I called my parents and also I told like I have reached safely. So let's get inside the cab. So this is our cab for journey from Jammu to Srinagar. There's no divider because this is a runway. During any emergency or during any threat, so that the Air Force can land their planes. So technically we are driving our car on the runway. I was confused what to order, but I was craving for some chicken. I had been to Agra and I didn't even touch one single piece of chicken or egg. And I have been in no non-veg diet since a week. And now I'm going to break it. Finally, non-veg is going to go inside me. Fully excited. I ordered Afghani chicken tikka and roti. And my friend has ordered veg fried rice and kawa. Afghani chicken is here. And my garlic naan is here. The food was good. And this is the place called as Parsas. So the moment we cross the tunnel, we can see snow all around. There is snow everywhere. Bro, look in the left. Full on snow. So we reached Srinagar and we are right next to the J&K Bank gate. Not that cold. I expected the weather will be like very cold. But I guess I can manage this weather.
अभी तो ट्रायल है.
Abhi trial hai.
पिक्चर बाद किया.
These are all houseboats, guys. So this is Dal Lake and near Dal Lake we have all shikara boats and even houseboats. So एक दिन तो इधर भी रहेंगे houseboat में. Just because I've come today,
I don't want to just straight away go to the room. I want to take a full glance of the Dal Lake and the beautiful Himalaya right behind me. So this is our Dal Lake. Look at this beauty. Oh, feels so good. This place is so chilled and awesome, guys. Done with our check-in and all the procedures in the reception. And this is a 3-star premium hotel. Again, booked by our tour organizer. Again, that's Pack Your Bags Hyderabad. So they are the one who sponsored our trips. And they are the ones who's booked these hotels. अगर कस्टमर कोई डायरेक्ट आके बुक कर रहा है तो कितना है आपका रूम चार्जेस का हिसाब?
Almost 6,000 रहता है near about included breakfast and
एक नाइट का?
जी सर.
6,000 for 2 person, 2 for 2. Breakfast and dinner inclusive. और उसमें कोई कैब ऐसा inclusive है? नहीं, only stay.
only city.
Okay. So if you're coming in package, then it's a different scenario because you're paying everything in the package. Or if you're coming individually, then it's 6,000 rupees. You can check it. And आपका होटल का नाम?
Spring City Inn.
Spring.
Spring City.
Spring City Inn. Okay.
Rajbagh City like.
Okay. So Spring City Inn, that's which is in Srinagar, Rajbagh. So here we are, and let's drink our kawa and then get inside a room. So me and Rohit, we have traveled multiple places, but we haven't met someone so welcoming. We have traveled so many places. The hospitality is superb. हम बहुत जगह घूमे हैं, but इतने अच्छे क्या खातिरदारी फील नहीं हुआ है. बहुत अच्छा लगा. So let's enter the room, and this is how we are going to start off with day 1 of Kashmir. So yes, mashallah, room looks really good. It's already preheated, the temperature is perfectly set, and that isn't an AC, it's a AC and plus a heater. It does both the job. And this is a 3-star hotel, a comfort environment, a comfort space. This is the Zero Bridge entrance. There are a lot of things, and kebabs are being made here. So kebabs, rolls, and all localites are enjoying here more than tourists. In general, we have a lot of tourists enjoying, but here even localites are coming and chilling here and enjoying the feel of this Zero Bridge. So this bridge is completely made of wood, and there are a lot of stalls, and all these stalls are made out of wood. You can see here, and people are selling even ice creams in this chilled weather. We stopped at this shop called as 0 Degree. We ordered some peri-peri fries with some mayo and walnut chocolate brownie with vanilla ice cream. The hotel which we booked is with the dinner, so we didn't want to waste the food there. And we thought we'll go and have at 10 o'clock. So just not to waste our time sitting, we came here. This bridge is in between the river, and the wind passes through the valley, and these valleys are covered with snow-capped mountains. So wind that blows through this bridge is like super chilled and cold. That's why it's known as the 0 Degree Bridge. They were making these kebabs in the street, and I decided to eat this.
कश्मीर का फेमस है. कश्मीर के यहाँ अंदर कम से कम 2-3 दिन नहीं खाएगा वो शाम को घर नहीं पहुँचेगा.
Let's break some bread and then take some chutney little bit, and then put a good chunk of meat, and then let's go for it. When you come to the 0 Bridge, when you come towards the exit, right side he'll be there. So if you see his face, you'll remember
Mama barbecues. The fish tikka.
Mama's barbecue. For dinner we have some dal rice, and this is something related to baigan masala. So he's taking paneer, of course. Rohit likes paneer. And this is moong ki halwa? No, Kashmiri halwa. What's Kashmiri halwa, bro?
Ask him if it is veg.
Of course, Kashmiri halwa, bro. It's sweet. My preference are very straight and simple. I needed some dal rice, so I took some dal rice, and very straight and clear. Chicken. Why chicken? Because chicken is heat, and for this temperature, chicken is must. So 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of chicken. Cucumber to balance the heat, and I like cucumber for dal rice, and some butter naan. I will let me eat this food and go to room, take good hot shower bath, and sleep, because tomorrow we are going to Sonmarg. So the Kashmir vlog is a very big series of day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4 will be all separate vlogs. So this is all about day 1. And for more such content, you keep watching the entire series to understand how a Kashmir package works. So keep following and supporting. If you're done with the day 1, go check the day 2.